Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create 3D text to your video easily on CapCut PC. So what you need to do is just add the clip that you want to edit and then click on the text, and here just write your text. I'm going to change the default text. Okay, so I've already changed the text, and to make it 3D, you just need to go to effects on the text. And in here, you just need to find the 3D text that you want to apply to your text. So for example, I want to apply this 3D text right here. So just download it first and click on the plus icon to apply it to your text. So okay, let's just change this text right here so it's different from the text that I write before. Okay, you can see now it has been added like this, and you can also change the font if you want, like that. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there. And also remember to leave a comment and click on the thanks. Bye!